Nia aka Neo and welcome to another episode of Game Over, where we cover raging scandals and esports controversies. Today we are going to dive deep into the ripples that the Twitch hot tub controversy created throughout the streaming world. For most people, it was no short of just scandalous entertainment. बट इस सब के बीच आने लगे थे बहुत सारे मॉरल और सोशल क्रिटिसिज्म्स। तो आइए देखते हैं what the whole Twitch hot tub controversy was all about. First things first, what is Twitch? Twitch Amazon का एक लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग प्लेटफॉर्म है जो प्राइमरली अपनी सर्विस को ऐसे ऑडियंस तक स्ट्रीमलाइन करता है जो दूसरों को वीडियो गेम खेलते हुए देखना एंजॉय करते हैं। While Twitch in itself gained a lot of popularity because of its concept, इसका एक slightly skewed version इससे भी ज़्यादा पॉपुलर होने लगा। There were new live streams that were gaining attention, and quite obviously enough, it was featuring skimpily dressed women in hot tubs. सुनने में बड़ा अजीब लगता है ना? इस आइडिया को कौन सोच सकता है? एक हॉट टब में घंटों बैठकर गेम्स खेलना, it's just so bizarre, but it was happening and gaining pace at a dangerous rate. जैसे जैसे ये ट्रेंड पॉपुलैरिटी में बढ़ने लगा, वैसे वैसे इस ट्रेंड को लड़कियां अपने अपने वे में ट्वीक करने लगी. It kept getting more and more explicit. Soon, Twitch became a sort of a hub to numerous bikini-clad women wet in the bathtub, interacting with viewers and carrying on mundane tasks alongside. हर एक hot tub वीडियो पर आने लगे millions and millions of views. Now this is a good thing for Twitch, right? Views, revenues and popularity. But this is where it begins to get tricky. हर नई चीज़ कभी ना कभी पुरानी हो जाती है. बस ऐसे ही देखते देखते ये ट्रेंड मोनोटोनस सा होने लगा. But this was the kind of problem that was better off without a solution. पर इसका भी solution निकला. Women started dressing more scantily and doing things that barely stayed behind the thin line that separates appropriate entertainment from downright vulgarity. Bizarre, right? Well, not enough. इसी दौरान ट्विच ने अनाउंस किया कि हर फ्राइडे डेडिकेटेड रहने वाला है टू पूल, हॉट टब्स एंड बीचेस. अब ये ट्विच के साइड से एक बहुत बोल्ड मूव था कंसिडरिंग उनकी न्यूडिटी और अटायर को लेकर स्ट्रिक्ट पॉलिसीज रही थी हमेशा से. इन अ वे दिस मूव रिप्रेजेंटेड रिकॉग्निशन, जैसे कि ट्विच ने इस अनाउंसमेंट से हॉट टब स्ट्रीमर्स को लेजिटिमाइज कर दिया. द ट्रेंड स्टार्टेड मूविंग अहेड फुल स्पीड फ्रॉम देयर. इस पॉइंट पे तो औरतें छोड़िए आदमी भी हॉट टब स्ट्रीम्स करने लगे, sometimes even going as far as wearing a bikini. After all, everything comes down to money and revenue. Community में इस ट्रेंड को कहने जाने लगा hot tub meta. सोचिए, a woman can put on a bikini, sit in a hot tub and get millions of viewers and donations. Easy way out. अब बात आती है कि ये hot tub streams शुरू क्यों हुई, कैसे हुई और जिन्होंने ये streams करी उनका मोटिव क्या था. Well, in a conversation with Ray Rachel and Intraventus, we found out that the reasons are not unidirectional. Ray Rachel का कहना था कि उन्होंने hot tub शुरू इसीलिए किया था क्योंकि उनको बैक इश्यूज थे. उस वजह से उन्होंने सोचा कि hot tub उनको एक uninterrupted, comfortable streaming experience दे सकेगा. For these women, it was not about having men ogle at their bodies. So, where was the hate coming from? Who were the people hating on this trend? Obviously, it was from all directions. ट्विच होस्ट का सबसे बड़ा फियर था कि विमेन को बिकिनीज में प्रमोट होता देख कंपनीज उनके एड रेवेन्यू पर शायद स्पेंड ना करें. इनफैक्ट बाकी फीमेल स्ट्रीमर्स ने भी अपनी कंप्लेंट्स वॉइस आउट करी. दे स्टार्टेड फेसिंग अनवांटेड सोशल प्रेशर्स फ्रॉम देयर ओन व्यूअर्स टू ट्राई हॉट टब स्ट्रीम्स. इस ट्रेंड ने फीमेल गेमर्स और स्ट्रीमर्स की एक काफी लिमिटेड इमेज बना दी थी. Being in a hot tub stream was some women's choice, but many others were having to face the brunt of it. Soon, people began expressing their disdain. A confused and infuriated tweet was uncovered from a massive Twitch subreddit, which was aggressively protesting against Twitch stream being so explicit. Ultimately, fingers point hui at Twitch as a platform, the platform which was allowing some apparently sexually charged streamers. Conclusion में ये निकला कि Twitch ultimately needed to set clear boundaries and follow guidelines that have been set up. Hot tub streams में एक और प्रॉब्लम आने लगी थी. Sexual undertones and remarks which sometimes used to get viewers banned. But women get sexualized no matter what these days. Ultimately, because of the explicit content and disappointed and fuming streamers, Twitch ultimately banned this trend. There was strictness and ultimately the trend came to an end. ये पूरा इशू एक significantly लंबे टाइम तक खिंचा था. There was a lot of focus on the whys and hows, but ultimately wrongdoings, no matter how good they feel, come to an end. That's quite what happened here as well. Comment down below and let us know if you also agree with the company's decision. This is it for today's episode. Stay tuned to India Today Gaming for more gaming and esports related content. Until next time, this is Nia signing off.